how to fix PS5 controller not charging. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to load up your PS5, and here you will just go into the welcome screen. So click on the welcome screen, then you have to choose your controller. Here choose the controller which you use, and then go into controller settings. We gotta change communication method from Bluetooth to USB cable, so just change that like so. That's the first fix. If it still doesn't charge, what you have to do is, I'm just going to focus here. You see this little USB hole? You want to blow onto it because sometimes dust gets in the way. So if you just slightly blow onto it, this can fix the issue. And I'm gonna show you one more method. I'm just gonna pause. Okay, so the last method, if you use your PS5 to charge it, don't use the front USB port, but instead use the back USB port to charge your controller. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.